When you hear Mount Rushmore, one picture comes to mind. The faces of 4 U.S. presidents carved into the side of a granite mountain. Mount Rushmore National Memorial may be one of the world's most iconic sculptures, but there's so much more to this majestic place. Nestled in the scenic Black Hills of South Dakota, the area offers a world of adventure. Join our team and experience the unique opportunity to live, work, and explore in this remarkable destination. At Mount Rushmore, Xanterra proudly operates several food and beverage outlets, a large retail store, and a guest parking facility. While the memorial is open year-round, the majority of employees work the busiest months, from March through October. At Xanterra Travel Collection, we work hard, share a passion for the environment, and love to create unforgettable experiences for our guests in some of the most beautiful places on Earth. We embrace diversity, recognizing that it enhances our team and the experiences we create. When you become part of our team, you'll connect with people from across the country and around the world, and will make memories that will last a lifetime. Our dorm-style community living is affordable and gives you the chance to bond and create lifelong friendships with your roommates. Our dorm rooms accommodate 2 to 4 people, are furnished, and have private restrooms and free Wi-Fi. Coin-operated laundry facilities are available on-site too. The family-style common room is a great place to watch TV, read, play games, or just hang out. In addition to dorms, we also have a limited number of seasonal RV sites in nearby Keystone for those who wish to live in their own self-contained RV or trailer. You'll need your own transportation to and from work if you live in the RV park. Although Wi-Fi at Mount Rushmore is not the fastest, once you're here, you'll see that this is a small trade-off for living in such an amazing place. In the employee dining room, you'll get low-cost cafeteria-style meals that include a hot entree, side dishes, and a dessert. A small salad bar is available during lunch and dinner. The 60-foot-tall granite faces of President George Washington, Thomas Jefferson, Theodore Roosevelt, and Abraham Lincoln draw over 3 million visitors every year, and it's our aim to give every guest an unforgettable experience. There are so many opportunities for you on our team, including positions in food and beverage, retail, parking, transportation, housekeeping, maintenance, sustainability, and office administration. Even if you don't have a lot of experience, that's okay. What's most important is that you bring your strong work ethic and excellent customer service skills. There are countless adventures in and around Mount Rushmore. You'll be living in the Black Hills National Forest, which also includes Custer State Park, Spearfish Canyon, and Wind Cave National Park, all ideal spots for exploring, hiking, and biking. You may see wildlife, including white-tailed and mule deer, chipmunks, and bighorn sheep. In your off hours, you can venture to the small town of Keystone, a 3-mile walk or bike ride away, where there are restaurants, coffee shops, and a convenience store. As a Mount Rushmore employee, you will receive a Black Hills and Badlands Tourism VIP training card, which will give you seasonal access to and discounts at participating restaurants, retail locations, and attractions in the nearby areas. During peak season, we offer day trips for sightseeing and shopping. You'll experience all 4 seasons, and the weather can be unpredictable. In the summer months, daytime temperatures can range from cool and stormy to sunny and hot. In the winter months, temperatures drop, and there's plenty of snow. At Xanterra, we take pride in protecting our planet, and we're working hard to find cleaner and greener ways to do what we do. Here at Mount Rushmore, we have an on-site solar array, helping us keep our operation running on clean energy. Our restaurant is certified by the Green Restaurant Association, and our concession building is LEED certified, which means it was designed as a healthy, highly efficient, and cost-saving green building. You'll see our sustainability efforts everywhere, in our water refilling stations, EV charging stations, and in our on-site recycling and composting, which keeps organic waste out of the landfill. Be a part of our sustainability efforts and help us take care of our planet and be good stewards of this historic landmark. Whether you're looking for a seasonal adventure or a year-round career, there's a place for you here. Join us and experience what it's like to live, work, and explore at Mount Rushmore National Memorial. Start your next adventure and find the role that's right for you at xanterrajobs.com.